Meron ka bang mataas na kolesterol? Here are 5 foods na makakatulong upang mapababa ito. Unang-una ay oatmeal. You can start your day with eating oatmeal. Ito ay full of soluble fiber na makakatulong to flush out the bad cholesterol, also known as the LDL or the low-density lipoprotein. Mas maganda yung rolled oats. Hindi yung instant ha? Mas mabuti rin na kainin ito with plant-based milk. Pangalawa, fatty fish. Katulad ng tuna, sardines at bangus. Meron itong omega-3s. Ang omega-3s in fish can help lower triglycerides and can protect your heart too. Siguraduhin lamang na hindi ito fried with tropical oils. Mas mabuti ang grilled fish or steamed fish. Pangatlo, beans and legumes. Kumain ng munggo, lentils at black beans. Plant protein plus fiber combo. This is a cholesterol-lowering magic. Pang-apat, avocados and nuts. Yung healthy fats ha? Ang avocados and nuts ay maaring makatulong to raise the good cholesterol, also known as the HDL, or high-density lipoprotein. At panglima, green leafy vegetables. Katulad ng malunggay, kangkong, pechay, repolyo. Ang mga ito can help block cholesterol absorption. Tandaan that food is medicine. So choose your food wisely. Mag-ingat po kayo parate. I'm Dr. Lian. Follow for more health tips.